Since November 30th, 2022, with the release of ChatGPT, AI has been absolutely taking over, offering new business opportunities that didn't exist previously. So with what I believe is a small window of time to capitalize on this AI revolution, in this video, I'm going to be breaking down my 4 favorite AI business models for 2026, so you can pick one and make some money before AI takes all our jobs. Seriously, they even have AI YouTubers now, so it looks like I'll be out of work soon. But on that note, the first AI business idea is starting a faceless YouTube channel. YouTube is something I have years of experience doing, and I've been able to make a full-time income from the platform over the last 5 years. But what a lot of people don't tell you about making YouTube videos is that growing on the platform can be difficult. There's no secret to finding success on YouTube. The only key is you have to make videos that people actually want to watch.
And you can attract attention by talking about drama, causing chaos in public, being really funny, or even talking about news and politics. But my favorite way to grow on YouTube is to niche down into a specific topic that only a subsector of the population is interested in. This creates less competition for your content while still having demand from the people interested in the topic you're making videos about.
And you can use AI tools not just to produce slop that no one wants to watch, but to make high quality videos that typically take 10 or 20 hours to make in half the time. One good example of a type of faceless channel you could really scale with AI are these history and map channels I find myself watching all the time. Although they aren't fully created with AI and still take a decent amount of editing work with these map animations or generating B-roll, a lot of the information, scripts, or even narration can be outsourced to the tools I'm about to show you very easily. The first tool you can put to use that somewhat recently came on the scene is one called Sora.ai. You've probably seen people use it to make total slop content, but with it, you can generate videos about literally anything, and with a human element, this footage can be edited together to make videos that people actually want to watch. I think a lot of people see these AI tools only for what they can do on the surface level, and the truth is, I don't think the technology's there yet to where an AI can make a better video than a creative human. But when you use these AI tools to increase what you can already accomplish on your own, that's where you can really find success. And some more examples of real people, or I guess AI influencers doing this method, is a channel called Money Degree. This is a fully AI YouTuber with AI videos that has 65,000 subscribers and has gotten 2.5 million long-form views since starting. I'm also in the finance niche, so assuming our CPMs are similar, that's about $37,000. This guy has a legit AI avatar talking for him, and the way you can replicate this is with tools like HeyGen, Synthesia, or Colossan. Using these AI tools, you can make an AI version of yourself or a virtual character. And all you have to do to clone yourself is record a 15-second video of you talking about literally anything. Then AI takes your voice and image to clone yourself as a virtual character. And once you do that, you give your AI a script and click generate.
Congratulations, AI Financial Wolf can now make videos about literally anything.
Using the tools I talked about, some editing skills, and a little bit of creativity, scaling a faceless YouTube channel has never been easier. And there's countless more examples of YouTube channels, both in the long form and short form space, that utilize AI to make over $10,000 per month.
Just make sure you aren't using this to make slop, because YouTube recently took down AI slop videos totaling 4.7 billion views. So make sure you read up on their AI usage policies.
But if being a YouTuber isn't your thing, starting a software company might be. And I know you guys are probably thinking, well, I have no idea how to code. But luckily, with the AI app builder Mocha, you can build a functioning web app without any coding or technical background needed. The first thing you have to do is go to getmocha.com and sign up with their built-in Google login. Then once you have your account created, click create new app. And next, Mocha is going to ask you, what do you want to build? I've had an idea for a web app for a while now, where instead of using a spreadsheet to keep track of all of my tarot cards booking revenue, expenses, and profit after depreciation, I make an app to keep track of all of this data in a much more user-friendly way. So I typed this idea into Mocha. Now let's generate it. And just like that, AI generated us a dashboard interface for this app, which looks really solid, and it asks us what we want to do next. A, add database and connect to live data. B, add trip logging form. C, add expense tracking form. Or D, add vehicle management features. I'm going to click A, add a database, and now Mocha added the revenue numbers down here for each individual car, along with the expenses and profit numbers. And after clicking through the rest of these options, Mocha built out a clean dashboard for me to track all my tarot car earnings. I ended up publishing the site, and after doing a bit of testing and telling the AI to make changes, the basic version of the site was ready in about an hour. And you guys can see I can now add in all the vehicles from my fleet, along with log trip revenue and add expenses. And now it tells me how much net profit my fleet is actually making, and when you scroll down, it says here that depreciation tracking is coming soon. It's actually insane how just a few years ago, creating a web app meant hiring a developer developer for $10,000 plus, waiting weeks for them to code in their mom's basement. And then on top of that, you had to pay separately for hosting, database storage, and backend services. Mocha has all of this built into their app creator, and they also integrate with Stripe, allowing you to easily monetize your app. You just have to type in the chat and tell Mocha to create a Stripe integration into the app, and I want to charge $1. And after you give it your Stripe API code, it'll add a $1 paywall before anyone can access your web app. And in terms of the cost for Mocha, they have multiple pricing plans available, the bronze, silver, and gold plan, and within each plan, you can select how many credits you want to generate apps. Whether it's 1,500 or 3,000 credits per month with the bronze plan, which allows you to build up to 5 apps, and it also supports medium-sized apps, all the way up to the gold plan, which allows you to build up to 25 apps, nearly unlimited in size. And depending how many credits you choose, the price updates accordingly, starting as low as $20 per month. On that note, the last thing I did to complete the app is add a custom domain name, so after purchasing one, wolfledger.com is officially in business. Mocha was awesome enough to sponsor today's video, so be sure to check them out at the top link down below to start creating apps with paying customers all in one tool. In this day and age, a software company can launch and start collecting revenue in as fast as an afternoon. And research shows this is one of the most profitable industries since you're selling something digital with almost zero marginal cost, meaning selling to one customer versus a million doesn't cost much extra. And most software companies operate at between 70 and 90% gross margin since your only cost is marketing. But moving on to side hustle number 3, we're about to start a band.
My only experience with music in the past was taking piano lessons when I was like 10. That's all I got.
But luckily for the untalented like me, AI is also coming for the musicians, with bands like Velvet Sundown generating over 3 million views on YouTube alone, equating to about $12,000 to $15,000 in AdSense earnings for this niche. And on top of this band, there's a ton of other YouTube channels publishing AI music, like this YouTube channel Chill Music Labs posting multiple videos per week with songs that allow you to focus or work like a CEO. The music and B-roll in these YouTube videos are fully AI generated, and you guys can probably tell since this is obviously a fake mock-up of Bradley Cooper from Limitless. And to create AI music just like this, you can utilize tools like Suno, 11 Labs, Marika. There's literally a ton of them out there. And just like with a lot of AI tools, all you have to do is kind of describe the song you want to make. I'm going to tell the AI I want to create a techie, inspiring type of song you'd hear in a movie like Limitless or The Social Network to listen to for focus/work with no lyrics. Now we just click create for free, and in about 10 minutes, it generates us a song. And we compare this song with cool B-roll generated from Sora AI or Storyblocks and upload the video to YouTube. As you guys can see from some of these other music channels, not all your videos are going to hit, but it just takes one to go viral and get momentum on your channel. And with AI doing most of the work from creating the song to generating B-roll for your content, these videos are pretty quick to make. This band Velvet Sundown is super obviously AI, but when you listen to some of their music, it sounds like there's actual instruments being played. But just to kind of test this out and see if AI can really make a hit rock song, I'm going to tell it to generate an upbeat, psychedelic country rock song with a warm, uplifting feel, similar in energy and tempo to Touch of Grey by Grateful Dead. Then I gave some more info on how I want the song to sound, and I also generated some lyrics using ChatGPT. And while we wait for this song to generate, you can also create some images of your band using AI, similar to what Velvet Sundown did. This is how my band is looking, guys. Now let's hear a bit of the song that was generated. Let me know in the comments down below, could you see artificial intelligence take over the music industry? From my perspective, I would find that pretty sad, but using AI to make instrumental beats or songs on YouTube can be very lucrative. With another channel, Green Red Productions, that uploaded this video, Focus Music for Work or Studying, got 74 million views. And assuming a $10 RPM, since this video is pretty long, that would equal $740,000. The only downside with uploading AI music and making money from streams is that getting a song to go viral can take some time. But with this fourth AI business of becoming a web app freelancer, you can start making money almost immediately. Chances are, before you saw me show you guys just how easy it is to make an app with AI, you probably had no idea just how little time and skill is required. And that's myself included. If you showed me this web app I made in just a couple hours a few weeks ago before I ever heard about Mocha, I definitely would have been willing to pay someone to make a software like this, thinking that making an app takes a ton of computer knowledge and TISM ability and coding that I don't don't have. So what I think is a fantastic AI business opportunity for 2026 is to sell web app creation services on platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. But another thing I'd recommend is to reach out to creators on YouTube or Instagram and offer to partner up with them on a software that relates to their page's niche. So for example, I looked up credit card YouTuber and this guy Daniel Braun popped up. From his channel page, I can click to view his email address, and then I can send him an email pitching him on a free software for his audience that ranks the best credit card for you and has affiliate links for all the credit cards it recommends. I thought of this idea in like 5 minutes, but if we want to take things a step further, I could have Mocha create a demo of this app idea by giving it like a sentence or two of information, and after a bit of waiting, you guys can see Mocha created a software called Card Match that gives each user a questionnaire and will match them with the best fitting credit card based on their answers. With at least the basic idea of this software done, I can click publish, then add a link to this web app in my email pitch. Doing this really helps separate you from the competition. And whether you're charging these YouTubers or Instagram creators a one-time fee to create a software for them to promote, or you're partnering up with them to work on it together long term, I think this is a great way to get paid for simply using artificial intelligence. On that note, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Be sure to drop a like if you made it to the end, and check out the sponsor Mocha to turn your app idea into a reality. Peace out.